We've been doing this for the past couple of winters, and probably more organized this winter, where we've taken to the trails behind here. It was the Busteeds' land, and we have since acquired that land. So we've been out there exploring. I call it Migamagi. I mean, we're just out there having a great time, enjoying the territory. We can do anywhere between 2 kilometers to about 4 to 5 kilometers, all in the back here. When we were kids, we used to play up at this place we called Grandmother's Field, but it's owned by the Dedam family. And the late John Dedam had built a camp there. And he has since passed on, but his camp is still there. It has been vandalized, so unfortunately it's not being utilized, but it's a very sturdy camp, and it's located in such a beautiful area. During the winter months, around Christmas time, John would string Christmas lights on a tree, and he would run it by a generator, and you could see this tree lit up from the highway. So he would do this every winter, and it was kind of like my gift to Listuguj, this Christmas tree. It was really neat. So we just try to support one another and challenge one another as well, because there's so many beautiful trails yet to be discovered. So sometimes we'll get off that beaten trail and just, hey, let's see where this one goes, and you never know where it will lead us.